gloves, goggles, and for anybody that has long hair, you probably want to have it pulled back for safety measures. So what we're going to be using is 3 different types of solutions. We'll be having dish soap, or hydrogen peroxide, and sodium iodide. So what we're going to do, we're going to take our dish soap first, and we're going to pour just a few drops in there.
Very scientific, a few drops. I'll take the
All right, thank you. And next we have 250 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide. So at stores you guys can get hydrogen peroxide for 3% or 6%, but this is 30%. It is extremely strong.
What happens if we get that on our skin while you pour?
So what happens if we get this on our skin starts to itch a little bit, so it causes like a very severe itching. But that's why we have safety gloves on and safety goggles. So we're pouring this guy in. And next what we're going to do, we're going to slowly but carefully swirl our dish soap and our hydrogen peroxide.
So why are you swirling it around?
We want to make sure we get that dish soap and the hydrogen peroxide together so it can make a better and more clear experiment or chemical reaction.
Cool.
So next what we want to do, we want to make sure that everything is off the table. And what we're going to add is our 50 milliliters of sodium iodide.
And when you add that in, what should happen?
What was going to happen? It's a whole lot of science is about to happen, guys. So here we go.
That's awesome! So that's your bigger chemical reaction that you can do, or that we do here at the museum. So really cool, really fun.